In this video, I will show you how to draw a simple yet attractive house using Microsoft Paint. Let's start the video. Select the polygon tool to draw triangles. Use the eraser tool to erase unwanted marks. Use the fill tool to color the roof. Using the line tool, and let's create the shape of the house. Select the rectangle tool. Create two small rectangles on one side of the roof for the chimney. Also draw the windows and the door. Select the line tool and add window panes by drawing a line on each rectangle. By selecting the oval, create a door lock. Choose green color. Select cloud callout. Drag it like this. Select the fill tool and fill with color. Fill the windows with light blue to represent the glass. Paint the door too. So, see guys, a simple house is drawn using Microsoft Paint. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.